Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Now you guys, we all know that uDulas's first wife uMadlamini has passed on, you guys, and uDulasi has finally given us the reason of what was the cause of her death. Now when the show is playing, you guys, they just said R.I.P. Madlamini, and everyone was just asking what happened, and we all really didn't know. So uDulas gets to explain the story. Now I have done a full thorough video on the review of the reunion, guys. So if you have not checked that out, check that one out. But I'm going to break down the small intricate details which I think are important from the reunion into smaller videos. So uDulas Melaikaza, guys, he says uMadlamini, she got sick, and she was sick for it was not even a week, guys. So indaba yakhona, it looks like umuntu, like they were not sick for months, they were sick for a very short time, and this person passed on. He said ukuthi uMadlamini told him ukuthi uyograduate. Shuthi-ke makayograduate uziphumela nabangani to go and celebrate ukuthi hayi phela umuntu unqobile, umuntu uyograduate. Then when she came back from whatever celebration she went nabangani, she started getting sick, and then wadlula emhlabeni. Dulas also adds ukuthi there was something to do ukuthi udlisiwe uMadlamini, something like that. Guys, it's quite sad. We've heard of so many of these stories of the week, or just when people are supposed to graduate, we see stories like this. Guys, ibuhlungu to say the least, because ugel wakhona uMadlamini, if you remember, waphuma kuDulasi because she could see ukuthi uDulasi akasekho kuyena, sekaphilela ingane zakhe. Guys, imagine when you're just about to graduate, all those sacrifices you've made all of those years, kanti wena uthi uyocelebrate nabangani bakho, kanti kunomngane okubhekile ozitshela ukuthi no ave cabanga ukuthi ungcono ini ngizombonisa. Yo guys, it is sad ngempela. And ugeli, I just remember ukuthi bekanomoya ophansi and all of that. But I also did mention ukuthi when uDulas was giving the reason, guys, about uMadlamini's death, uLokhuzana uMamhlongo was saying unamanga. Hey bo, mina sengifuna uMamhlongo azochaza ukuthi mele sithi uDulas unamanga when uDulas is explaining the story. What is the truth, or the version of the truth that she actually knows? Now guys, this is a scary thing, because already uMamhlongo kuthiwa wenziwa umkhovu ukuthi hey izinto zikaDulasi zilala noMamhlongo and whatnot. We've heard many stories, guys, of how men sacrifice with wives, family members, children, and all of that. So it's starting to give those vibes ukuthi hey bo, is Dulas completely innocent or what? That's the vibes that when uMamhlongo was saying ukuthi unamanga, and she's like hey bo, stuff like that. Ingathi yena she knows something that's greater, or knows something that's different from what uDulas said. But uDulas, guys, he seemed very sincere. You could see ukuthi, like, even the way that I ngakhona, he was not explaining the story ingathi like it's just something. It looked like it still hurts him. But yeah, you guys, that's the reason, guys, guys nikaphelele ngaphandle nithandazeni, because sometimes ucabanga ukuthi abantu are happy with you. Sometimes it's the closest people. Not trying to scare you guys, but I'm just saying that, guys, be prayerful. Be prayerful and be careful out there, because not everyone who you think is happy for you is really happy for you. Anyway, guys, that's park it right there. Tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.